In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Ads account access. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review who can get into your account, what they're allowed to do, and how to make your setup better reflect your business needs. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look for the admin area. Depending on your layout, you'll see an admin option or an admin section accessible from the main navigation. This is your control center for account level settings, so it's the right place to make sure everything is configured the way you want. Next, click Preferences. Think of preferences as the foundation of your account experience. Here, you can tailor a variety of settings to align with how your business operates. This typically includes choices that shape how your account behaves and communicates with you, so it's worth taking a moment to scan through and ensure these settings match your day-to-day workflow. Adjustments here can help your team stay organized and reduce noise by making sure you're only seeing what truly matters. From there, move to Access and Security. This is the key area for managing who and what can interact with your Google Ads account. On this page, you'll see a list of the people, managers, and connected tools that currently have access, along with the types of permissions they hold. Permissions determine what actions someone can take, from simply viewing campaigns to making edits or managing billing. As you review the list, compare each access level with the person's role or the tool's purpose. Ideally, access should follow the principle of least privilege, just enough to do the job, but not more than necessary. Use this view to confirm everything is up to date. If a team member has changed roles, make sure their permission level reflects that. If you've connected tools or partners for reporting or optimization, verify they still need the access they have. Regularly reviewing this page helps maintain security, prevents accidental changes, and keeps your account compliant with internal policies. As a best practice, schedule a quick review of preferences and access and security at regular intervals or whenever your team structure or vendors change. Consistency here reduces risk and ensures your campaigns run smoothly. That's all you need to navigate the essential places for managing Google Ads account access. Take a few minutes to check your settings today and you'll set yourself up for safer, cleaner, and more efficient account management.